That's cool. Hello. 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 We're here. And it smells good.
Gabby's full Egyptian too, mom and dad.
Thank you.
One grinder.
Thank you.
Well, then, do you want to have a
so nice
sausage
of you.
link? Rob, is the sausage link okay?
Yeah. I'm so hungry. You don't even...
Be really hot, but just something to munch on while it's
And there was Samantha from England, and
Wait,
then who
Elena.
else? Elena from England.
But
Oh,
she
Elena!
was like-
Elena was, yeah, she was with Steve Margulies now.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember.
And then I'll confirm it.
I want to hear Dad's side of the tale.
Yeah, it's probably good that he cleared that out.
Sean and Heidi from Wales, they came
Oh,
and
really?
stayed
Yeah,
for
why
like
didn't you clear
Come
that out?
on.
a month. And they
So
would
there
have
was
been here
Sean
right
and
now.
Heidi from Wales.
Yes.